Open control cabinet door and power off the machine. Take out the bottom 3 trays. Lift up the buckles on both sides to pull out the tray. Disconnect the tray cable. Take out the tray. Same operation. There are 2 latches on both sides of pickup basket. We need to pull both latches inward at the same time and pull out the pickup basket. Take out the pickup basket gently. Tie up the tray cables for later operation. Remove the screws to take out the air duct lower plate. Then take out the air duct upper plate. Remove the refrigeration module cover plate. Loosen the screws on both sides. Take it out gently. Now we need to disconnect temperature prob cable and refrigeration cables at the back of machine. Remove the screws to take out the protective grid. Cut the cable tie and disconnect cables. Remove nut and disconnect earth wire. Loosen the cable tie. Drop sensor need to be removed. Disconnect the drop sensor cables. Loosen the cable tie. Remove the screws and take out the drop sensor. Same operation for the other side. Secure the cables with tape. Then take out the refrigeration module gently. Wrap the cable to avoid pulling. Lift up the cable to avoid dragging. Install the refrigeration module gently. Install the drop sensor back. Connect the drop sensor cables. Tie up cables. Same operation for the other side. Install the refrigeration module cover plate. Tighten the screws on both sides. Connect the refrigeration cables. Connect earth wire and fix by nut. Install the protective grid. Put back the pickup basket. Pull both latches inward at the same time and push it back. Install the air duct upper plate. Install the air duct lower plate. Cut the cable tie. Put back the bottom 3 trays. Close the front door and control cabinet door.